All right, fellow AMC stockholders, XMAX Trading here. Just want to go over the latest DD regarding AMC in the mainstream media. So if you haven't hit the like button, hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment below, and let's get started. So why is MSM attacking AMC? If you're new to the ape community, you might be wondering why in the world is MSM attacking AMC? It's to the point where shilling has become almost unnatural. Why are they portraying Adam Aron in a certain way? Why is MSM portraying retail investors in a certain way? At first glance, sneaky headings could potentially sway new investors from staying clear from investing in the world's largest movie theater, AMC. But there's always the truth. Here's why MSM keeps attacking AMC. All right, short and distort campaigns. I totally agree with this. Biggest way MSM is attacking AMC is through short and distort campaigns. Elon Musk said in a CNBC interview, hedge funds have used short selling and complex derivatives to take advantage of retail investors. Complex derivatives, Elon's referring to, could be an array of such as options trading, right? They try to collar the price so they make your options, melt into zero. High frequency trading, swaps, borrowed stock, and even naked shares. Where does mainstream media play a role in this? Tesla CEO said hedge funds will short a company and conduct negative publicity campaigns to drive the stock price down, and then cash out and do it multiple times over, right? Kind of like a bear raid. The tactic is known as short and distort. Hedge funds impose their influence on corporate media, such as The Fool, Wall Street Journal, and MarketWatch, to scare people out of their money. Here, writers get paid, and that's key, right? Writers get paid about a certain topic or narrative, hence the conflict of interest. And, I've seen this before, too, with Motley Fool, writing all these articles for many months. Forget AMC, forget AMC, forget. Look at all this. Forget. Which makes me want to buy more of it, not financial advice. Here are some few titles published by one of the biggest participants in the short and distort campaigns, the Motley Fool. Forget AMC. Is Clover Health the new Reddit? Forget AMC. These stocks will make you rich. Forget AMC and GameStop. These two popular Robinhood stocks. Forget AMC. Forget AMC and GameStop. Seems like they're trying to tell you to forget AMC more often than GameStop, but that's just my observation. The list goes on and on. These types of headlines cost investors who didn't take a position a lot of money. And of course, we all know Gasparino wants you to wants you to stay away from the stock too, and he has an agenda going on. While MSM warned investors of AMC, frankness.com said to buy AMC when it was $5 per share. Stock soared 3,000% months later. Hedge funds have always concluded with media to drive the prices lower by publishing hit pieces and speaking negatively of a company. Not only has mainstream media attacked AMC with headlines, but has also strongly recommended the public to stay away from it. Connecting the dots, AMC has been one of the most viciously attacked stocks on the market. AMC, I'll point this out, is also like the number one stock held by retail. This year alone, AMC has topped 16.5 million FTDs. I'm not exactly sure if the FTDs get paid back eventually, like in a couple months, or they just keep piling up. I don't know. It's no secret AMC was close to going bankrupt during the height of the pandemic. A path to recovery seemed bleak, so short sellers naturally gravitated towards the stock. The goal? To short AMC out of existence, profiting with no tax accountability. But that vision was shattered when retail investors bought the stock en masse. Hell yeah. Forcing some shares to close their short positions and sending AMC's price to an all-time high of $72 per share. Not financial advice. Mainstream media tried to derail retail investors from buying the stock throughout the entire journey. See MarketWatch, Wall Street Journal, Barron's, other shill companies performed by News Corp. News Corp is the biggest conglomerate in the world. Citadel's Ken Griffin, who happened to be one of the top 10 institutions shorting AMC, and also his shadowy other hedge funds, like Gabe Plotkin's fund and Susquehanna and all them. Also, so Citadel also has a stake in News Corp. The conflict of interest is undeniable. Other platforms partaking in short and distort campaigns include Yahoo Finance, Investor Place, and the Motley Fool. Of course, we already know about Motley Fool. Isn't AMC over? Why does it matter? AMC isn't over, which is why MSM continues to attack the century-old movie theater. Short interest is still very high. When AMC's share price rose to 72, its short interest dropped from 23 to 20% and then to 14. AMC's current short interest is back up to 22.63% as of this article. And MSM will do whatever it takes to protect its clients. They won't touch a topic on the short interest or address predatory short selling strategies used to drive the price down. They've used AMC's recovering fundamentals to bypass everything else. But even then, AMC's fundamentals have improved drastically, even shocking Wall Street. The fact is, AMC continues to be a short squeeze play into 2022, maybe even 2023, not financial advice. MSM does not want the public to know this. Hedge funds have already lost billions last year, and some even closing doing damages caused by meme stocks. Those who know. If you're interested in learning more about AMC, blah blah, you follow me on, yeah. Alright. So let's look at another one of hedge fund taunt. Hedge fund manager taunts apes with short position. I dare all meme stock maniacs to try to hurt us. Cliff Ashness announced a short position on AMC past Wednesday. I dare all meme stock maniacs to try to hurt us. AMC apes must be pounding their chest after AQR Capital. Cliff Ashness called them out on Wednesday. Called people out of what? Buying and holding stock? Supporting a company? Hedge fund manager announced they had a short position on AMC's closing bell. If that wasn't enough to get attention to retail, who call themselves apes, looking to feast on short sellers like bananas, his next positions provoked the primates. I dare all meme stock maniacs to try to hurt us. He told CNBC that such a small position, 12 basis points, that it won't significantly impact his firm's performance. Still, he sees an opportunity to short the stock and AMC's valuation above historical levels. It's terrible in everything we care about. It's super expensive, super unprofitable, super high beta and volatility. When warned about retail traders trying to do in response, he welcomed the apes to continue to taunt the AMC faithful. Let them come. It's 12 basis points. They're crazy people, and I will not notice them, but they can have their fun. So this is weird that he's trying to taunt people. Either he's trying to get attention, or he might be long somehow, and so this is a way to taunt people and make them buy it up, and then he profits on the long side. I mean, he's not betting a lot of money on this either. So I thought if he's super cocky and confident, well, okay, bet a large position, and he won't do it. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think in the comments below. And I think not financial advice. We're all continuing to hold, and AMC's improving with the gold mine and earnings coming out in August. So anyway, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.